Assalamualaikum, kembali lagi di Belajar Bareng Sonia Course. Good morning everyone. Today we will explain about the differences between made of and used for. The first is made of. Made of itu artinya terbuat dari. Nah, the explanation about made of itself, we use made of when we talk about the material used to manufacture the object. Do you understand about the meaning? Nah, I will explain the meaning. We use made of when we talk about the material used to manufacture object. Jadi di sini kita menggunakan made of itu ketika kita menjelaskan material atau bahan apa yang digunakan pada benda tersebut. The second is use made of with various material. For example, made of wood, plastic, glass, cotton, etc. Jadi penggunaan made of itu digunakan untuk seperti menanyakan bahan-bahannya, seperti made of wood terbuat dari kayu, made of plastic terbuat dari plastik, made of glass terbuat dari kaca, atau made of cotton terbuat dari katun atau kain. For example, what is the saddle made of? It is made of leather. Jadi di sini what is the saddle made of? Terbuat dari apa tempat duduk kuda itu? Tempat pacuan kuda duduk kuda itu loh, terbuat dari apa? The answer is it is made of leather. Saddle itu, tempat duduk kuda itu terbuat dari leather. Leather itu kulit. And how about used for? Nah, kalau made of tadi terbuat dari, but used for, the meaning is digunakan untuk. Dalam bahasa Indonesia itu digunakan untuk, tapi kalau made of terbuat dari. Jelas-jelas berbeda kan ya meaningnya. Nah, used for. We use used for when we talk about the function of an object. Nah, di sini sudah jelas. We use used for when we talk about the function of an object. Jadi di sini kita menggunakan kata use for untuk menjelaskan tentang fungsi dari benda tersebut. Penggunaan kata use for selalu diikuti kata kerja verb ing. For example, what is the saddle used for? Jadi saddle ini loh, tempat duduknya kuda ini digunakan untuk apa? Kalau made of tadi yang di atas kan terbuat dari apa? Nah, kalau yang used for, what is the saddle used for? Digunakan untuk apa saddle ini, tempat duduk kuda ini? The answer is it is used for riding a horse. Don't forget, after used for, you must using verb ing. Right? Verb ing. Right. Verbnya right, terus ditambah ing jadi riding a horse. Jadi saddle itu digunakan untuk mengendarai kuda. Do you understand? Any question so far? Now, in here I have lesson about the differences about made of and used for. Please do by yourself number 1 until number 8. And this is the answer. Let's match, okay? Please submit the answer of the question below, okay? Any question so far? I think it's enough for today, and see you in another day. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.